Welcome to Insurance Alert Broadcast. I am Vivek Jain here. Today we have with us Mr. Srinivasan. He is director with NIA Pune. He is a veteran and former CMD of New India Insurance Company. Sir, today you are into education and what do you think insurance education in India is not like that very popular one. And what do you think the possibilities of it's being like taught in schools and colleges?
Yeah, see, insurance education is in a way related to insurance awareness, and as a country, while the literacy rates are going up, the financial literacy and insurance literacy is still not up to the mark. People still don't understand the concept of insurance, the insurance products, what it covers, what it does not cover, what are the various procedures. So there is still lack of awareness about insurance. So since insurance awareness is low, the awareness of insurance education is also, low. But I feel it is changing. Things are improving. Today, the pandemic, which is with us for the last 1 year and 4 months, has made a lot of changes as far as insurance sector is concerned. There's a lot of awareness which has been created by pandemic. Well, pandemic had its issues. It created huge human misery and economic impact. On the insurance side, especially health insurance, life insurance, there's a lot of awareness. We don't have to go and explain to people why these products are necessary. So I expect the insurance industry to grow in a big way. In fact, I expect the industry to grow almost 5 times in the next 10 years, talking a growth of around 20% on a year-on-year basis. As insurance grows, clearly the insurance awareness and also the need for insurance education will grow. Because a growing insurance industry cannot be run without people who know about insurance. So insurance needs a lot of people. Insurance needs a lot of talent pipeline. So I expect, more and more people will take to insurance education. So I see a bright future in the coming years, both for the insurance sector and as a consequence for the insurance education sector.
What is the mission of NIA? Like, what we exactly do?
See, the National Insurance Academy was set up about 40 years back by the leading insurance companies of the Indian market. It was also at the instance of the government this institution was set up. So the vision of National Insurance Academy is to be a global institution of eminence on insurance education, learning, research, and consultancy. So we are having many activities in towards achieving this visionary goals. We run a 2-year postgraduate diploma in management, which is considered as equivalent to MBA. It is approved by AICTE and accredited by National Board of Accreditation. This program, has been a very popular program, and more than 1,000 such students we have created the last 15 years. All of them are occupying key and important positions in the insurance and technology sector, both in India and also many parts of the world, like US, Middle East, Europe, Singapore. So you see NIA alumni all over the world, and they are really doing pretty well. And that's the reason why we are having this 100% placement. That's one activity. So we provide young talent pipeline to the insurance industry. Second is the executive education, which we every year we train about 8,000 insurance professionals, both from India and abroad, on various facets of insurance, technology, data analytics, all related to insurance. So these short-term programs also add a lot of value to the insurance industry. We have a certification program on risk management. We have tie-ups with RIMS USA as well as IRM UK. We provide risk management education. We have also, at the instance of IRDAI, trained all independent directors of insurance companies, both life and non-life. We have completed that. Now we are training all the non-executive, non-independent directors of insurance companies. And then, our role is also to act as a think tank to the insurance sector. So both the government as well as the regulator looks to us for a lot of policy inputs. We serve on many of the committees of IRDAI as well as the government. also the Gift City IFSCA. So that way, we also provide a lot of policy suggestions and advocacy to the policymakers of this country.
Sir, what is your trend you see in the industry during your interaction with the industry's people? Because you are dealing with all the top management and mid management and everybody.
In the last 1.5 years, pandemic has really, created some kind of an upheaval in the industry. I must say the industry quickly recovered from the problems created by pandemic, like social distancing and all that. Because insurance is a very highly personalized business. You meet customers, you have to talk to them, visit them often. So all that was not possible. But I must say the industry quickly recovered, used the technology in a very big way to connect to the customers, give service, claim service, as well as the renewal service, and also rose to the occasion of settling claims. Because pandemic has a lot of health claims, life insurance claims. So the industry really, industry issued products, like the regulator asked the industry to issue Corona Rakshak and Corona Kavach. They issued those products and also settled claims. So that way, the industry has lived up to its reputation during the pandemic. But I see, there's a lot of bright aspects of industry future. With the higher awareness, I see the industry doing well. Even during the pandemic year, life insurance sector also grew by about 11%. General insurance also grew by 5%. This year also, both the sectors are growing very well. So, which is very positive, because India is very low in terms of insurance penetration and density, just about 4%. While life is reasonably better, non-life we still have a very long way to go to reach global levels of insurance penetration and density. So I see this as a great opportunity. And also the reforms of the government, like FDI getting increased to 74%, would bring in more dynamism to the insurance sector. Many of the foreign partners will take up their stake to 74% gradually. And I also expect many international companies to come to the Indian market. The Indian market is a growth market. Western markets are all saturated. So they are going to come here and also bring in some of the global best practices, global products. So that's something very positive, bring more FDI into the insurance sector. The regulator has also been quite active. They have come out with a lot of standard and simple products, like health standard product, Arogya Sanjeevani, life standard product, Corona products, fire insurance products. So that way the trend towards standardization, simplification of retail products, which is what the industry has been saying is something necessary in a market where insurance awareness is low, is also happening. So IRDA has been doing a lot of things towards protecting the policyholders' interests. All this is very, very positive. And I also see last year the general insurance companies' combined ratios have dropped. They have done better in terms of profitability. So on the whole, there's a very bright, future for the insurance sector.
Yes. Sir, do you think insurance companies should play a very important role in education or literacy, or especially related to insurance?
Uh, Definitely, sir. There are two aspects to it. One is, let me talk about awareness first. So the insurance sector has to do a lot in creating awareness. One that is very important is, how do we catch the people young? So insurance should be taught at the school level. See, today, even graduates or postgraduates do not know anything about insurance. So I feel, the financial literacy has to be maybe at high school level, either at standard 9 or standard 10. It need not be a full subject, but at least, part of some subject, people should know about what insurance is, what is that concept, what are the various products. Because, anything which is, created early in the life of a human being, it remains forever. So that's important. Then at college level, we need to increase insurance education. Today, there are very few institutions which teach insurance as a subject, because as the insurance industry grows, you need people knowing insurance. Throughout the world, you go to any country, insurance industry is always run by people who know insurance. Only in India, of course, we have a situation of even people who may not know insurance still playing an active role in insurance sector. But I think that has to change. as insurance sector grows, as the insurance sector becomes more complex, as we see more and more newer types of risks, regulations becoming tighter, I think we need people to manage the growth which is going to happen in the insurance sector. So the insurance industry has to, one is focus on creating awareness at the school level, college level, encourage insurance education. Also focus on, creating some kind of an incentive for insurance students to be recruited in their institutions so that, there'll be more focus. The youngsters will move towards insurance education. Otherwise, insurance education will always lag behind in terms of the career preferences of the youngsters. I think the insurance industry has got a lot to do.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank
Thank
you
you.
for your time, and we'll be in touch with you in times to come, and hope this problem, whatever we are facing, we come out of it very fast.
Sure, sir. Thank you very much, and all the best to you and all your activities.
Thank you. Namaskar.